Yes, my people. Yes, guys. We are back. It's been a while. I think it's the last week of June, and we are back with another banger. We're back with a weekly markup, weekly analysis, where we will go through the this whole list of markets, right? Most of them are forex pairs. If there are some times we will look into also some indices also, but yeah, there is a ton of events that is happening around the world. We do have this Iran against Israel kind of stuff that has been happening, which is a huge deal for the market, of course. We can see that quickly the crypto is turning all red because of this fundamental news. And if you guys have followed me, this is like nothing new. I have been bearish on all of these trades. So it's all been a part of the plan. I think that in the end we will go down here. This is just this is chain link, like for example. But everything is happening for a reason. It's all turning turning out to be quite not it's I'm not shocked or I'm not surprised by this chain of events that is happening around the world. So we'll start with, as always, our the DXY, which is the deciding factor of what is happening. So the DXY, not DXI, DXY, we can see that this is the monthly time frame, and we can see that the DXY has been creating lower lows and lower highs. So high, lower low compared to this low, a lower high, a lower low, and now we also have a possible lower high compared to this one. We need to see. Uh, we can see that there are liquidity below this low, liquidity below this low, liquidity above these highs. But in the end, we are not going too far back. We can see that overall that DXY have been bearish. And now we do have these equal lows. And so now we can see the price has been going sideways. We have taken out this range. Took out these highs. And now we're taking out some the sell side, and now we do have these this level that I think we will go back into. We can see that we have some weekly CB here, weekly CB there. Oh no, it's not weekly, it's monthly. Now let's go down to the weekly time frame, right? So on the weekly time frame, we can see that we have respected this wick low, not only once but twice. So the question is, what can we anticipate? My eyes are going straight into this down candle, but this is the level that we want to target. So I do think that overall that the XY will go, it will go, it will go down. But I like the fact that we have taken out these lows and then a second low. So this means for me that if price is pushing up, we have our potential bearish QM, and then we will have our fib from this high to this low, and then we could probably see this kind of play. And you can see where the minus 27 fib extension is ending up exactly at this gray area. So there is a possibility that we may see some bullishness on the DXY because we have failed to close below the weekly, like I said, not once but twice. So we need to wait and see. We need, if I were to look for buys, the best area to look for some buys is just from about here, pushing up, coming back down, and then we are probably going to head up. And if we are taking out this high, then we will know that this is our bearish QM, and the high up, this high is our strong high, and this would be our weak low, basically. So that's basically it. But until we have taken out this high, we don't know anything. And at this moment on the daily, we have closed below, but we did close below, but then we closed the next candle close above, and then we have respected this wick. So there is a chance that we may attack some these highs and these high. But we need to wait and see. We are still trading under the EMAs. So, but for me, honestly, DXY is looking a little bit more bullish based on that we have failed to close below this wick twice in a row now. So we need to wait and see. We need some more confirmations, basically. That's what I'm saying. So this will be nothing at this moment. Let's put the yellow. Yellow will mean from here now that I don't have a bias either up or down, right? So that's that, and then we'll go through all these markets. Euro. Let's go to our favorite pair. Euro USD. So this is the weekly time frame, right? And the weekly time frame, we do have this high, lower low, and we have now honestly taken out some, we have ranged. So we have basically, if you're a retail trendline liquidity trader and you want to do like this, then that's also possible. But we can see that we do have some highs here that the price is pushing against. And now we do have Euro USD. We did take out this swing high, right? So this swing high was taken out, and what has price done afterwards? We did have this weekly busy that price has been respecting more or less, right? So we have never had a candle closure below this level. This is the weekly busy, right? And we did take out this our draw of liquidity. And now the question is Euro USD. Where do we want to go? We do have this down candle in the same area as this daily busy, which is a strong combination. So from here, now we have seen what price came to this area. I thought the price would go a little bit further down, but we need to wait and see. So we did take out this high, right? This high was taken out, which indicates it's a shift in market structure, which we also can see that we're trading above this EMA. And now we have all of these consecutive down candles where we also want. I want to see. We do have this trendline liquidity, which I don't like. So I don't like this trendline liquidity. But we do see that we have these consecutive down candles. But we also see that we do have this inverse fair value gap, right? No, inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. We broke above and then price have come up. Now we could see, I would like to see, as I said, price respecting for me, we should go up. This is looking more bullish on higher time frame. No question about it. If we can respect these lows, we do have this H4. This is the area I want to see price getting back to. And based on how it looks, we'll make our play. So we have seen price getting back to this daily busy as I marked up earlier. We have seen this shift in market structure. We've seen rejections in the combination of this bullish engulfing. We left this bullish order block now. And yeah. This would be my play. But I don't like the fact that there is this type of, I would like to see a last potential liquidity grab and then the push up. That's the only reason why I'm a little bit skeptic, because have we really grabbed the last liquidity, or is it still liquidity remaining below this low? Right? That's the question. And this is also what we can see, the previous weekly low. So this will be our previous weekly low. So this is the lowest point that this previous weekly low have been to, right? And that is the previous weekly high. So from Monday, from the last week when it opened, it has only been trading down, right? So the question is now, and I will show some dollar currencies also. But the main thing here is that we did take out this external liquidity, right? We'll come back down. We are in a discount from this low to this high. And now we just need to understand what is price doing on lower time frames. And currently, it is looking bullish, honestly. But as I said earlier, I don't like the fact that we did grab liquidity down here. So we did take out the Asian low and then we pushed up. And Thursday, if it's a bearish bias, then often the reverse will come on Thursday, right? So, which it did also here. But yeah, I will look for some buys from this area. So I will hold on to this blue, which means I'm bullish on this pair. um, and yeah, we need to just wait and see how it gets to this area. If it gets aggressively and just melting, I won't take any trades. And another thing that I have been learning, or a thing with me, often when I often lose when I have my buy limits and sell limits, right? So that's something I need to, like, either I'm getting better at it, because at my current level with putting out buy limit and sell limits, I often loses. So I need to be much more clear on where this range is before before doing anything else. But yeah, so I would look for longs from 70, this level. And you do have this last area where this is the last area um, before pushing. This was the last where we liquidated, then price pushed down, right? And now I just need to find any unmitigated areas. So this is mitigated, beautiful. Then we have these levels. So yeah. So that's basically it. So Euro USD, I am bullish. I would like to see price head down here, and then we could see a potential push up. But as I said, I will put out this note just below. Have we really taken out the sell side liquidity? Or could we come back down? Right. Okay. So that's euro. Let me go through the trade I'm currently holding. I'm holding 2 trades over the weekend. So it will be quite interesting to see where we open up once the market is opening in 40 minutes. And that is USD JPY. Where are you? You are here. And as you guys can see, I've been holding. I've been trading quite good lately. All of my markups are, not all of them, but I would say 80%, 90% of my markups are getting hit. So that's something positive. I'm starting to read the markets a lot better. So instead of removing, let's just make it invisible. And as you guys can see, this is USD JPY. This is the weekly time frame. And yeah, we did take out liquidity down here. Sell side liquidity. We did take it out here. We tried to push up. We failed, right? So now we're definitely in a downtrend, but we are currently also in a higher time frame. I would say that we are in a like if you're zooming out from 2020, we're definitely in the uptrend, right? But now we have been consolidating more or less because or we are more or less downtrend because we're making lower highs and lower lows. So higher low compared to this, higher high, lower low compared to this, higher low, shift in market structure. And now we're pushing up, failed. So now the question is, there are two areas where I would really look for trades, and it's these. So we are currently in a downtrend, right? So you know what? Let's remove all of this. Let's remove 42 drawings, right? So our range are currently from this high to this low. So this is the last push down. But the thing here is, what have we up here also? So we have double top. So we have liquidity here also. Weekly CB. No, weekly bearish order block. So basically we do have equal lows down here. So external liquidity, and all of this is internal, right? So what I'm saying, or what I'm seeing, is that, okay, we did have this push up, right? We did have this push up. We didn't take out this liquidity. We pushed down, failed to take out this low, and now we're currently just trading internal structure, right? So the first target is this liquidity. And I am really sure that we also will target this liquidity. I really do think that we will attack these highs. And then afterwards, I do think that we will either see, this is not a CB, this is a bearish order block, either see this kind of play that will go from here, or it's also where we attack this double top, and then we'll do like this. So that is really my play here on USD JPY, and I'm quite, that's why it's blue. You can see here it's blue. It's definitely a blue ribbon. So we just need to wait and see USD JPY. So I am bullish on USD JPY until we're taking out this high internal structure point and this high. Afterwards, it can do whatever, right? Good. Right, and now let's go to where is GU? This is GBP USD. So just before I remove, this is like one of my best trades that I did take. Quite a beautiful entry, 8-1 risk to reward, and it did exactly what I anticipated. So yeah, very beautiful trade, and it did come up to this weekly. It did came down to this weekly BC, right? I won't go through this trade just to show you that really your boy, he can trade. So once he's in the moment, he's in the moment. That's basically it. Uh, so yeah, now we can remove all of this chart stick. So here's the same kind of setup like we did see on Euro. We do have this weekly busy. It's a higher time frame POI, right? Weekly busy. We do have this range from this low to this high, right? And price did came to this equilibrium, and now the question is what is the price is trying to do, right? Just because there is a weekly busy, or just because there is some imbalances or some levels, it doesn't mean that price will respect it. Now what most of the retail traders are doing is that they see every level, like every bullish order block, every breaker block, every fair value gap, every whatever, and see it as a reason why it should respect that level. I've been there. I've been one of them. Like, okay, this is a bullish fair value gap. Okay, you should respect this. And 9 out of 10 times, it has disrespected this level. So, I've been learning from in the hard way. I've been losing a lot of money, but we are back. We always learn. We strive to get better. We are a student of the game, and we will continue to be that. We will always learn. We will always grow. Right. So yeah, so this is GU, and now it looks like we are respecting this daily Sibyl. Let me change the color. And yeah, so we did take out some sell side liquidity. I anticipated this short, so I showed it from around here. I shorted to this level. Very beautiful trade. Now we also have this bullish order block, right? So we'll see what price does. So GU. We have shifted. I don't like the fact this is the play. So we did respect this daily CB. We saw this H4 swing low being disrespected. Now price is getting down to this bullish order block. So I'm seeing, and we are also trading under this EMA. So I am bearish. And on Euro I was bullish, right? So this is not good. This is really not good. And often when I do have two different ideas, which I do which I do have, right? Because I am bullish on Euro. Should I really be that? We will see. And I'm bearish on GU. So more often than not, I'm not trading until they both are in phase. Like they both are showing the same kind of setups. They're showing the same kind of bias, right? So we do have this swing low, H4 swing low being taken out. So the internal point of view. So really, this is how I would like to see the Euro be trading. And what I mean by that is that is this a potential bullish range? The only reason why I don't like to take any long setups from here is the fact that on higher time frame, this is such a huge daily imbalance. We see this bearishness kicking in. But what I also like, on the other hand, is how this trade. This is the way I would like to see Euro forming its range. That we did take out all of the sell liquidity, right? And then we did have this push up. So this could be a long setup. But listen, I will need to see more evidence that price is ready to go up. I won't just put out these levels. I need to see some stuff happening, really. So yeah. So honestly, so I had to has price formed a bullish range with a bearish QM? That is idea number one. Or has or will price respect the daily CB and continue downwards? Honestly, this is looking, on the H1, this is really looking bullish. I am leaning a little bit. I'm definitely neutral. So I will do like this, and then we'll do the same here. I don't like this kind of play. I do really think that we will disrespect this level. And I do think that we will get a little bit more lower down. But yeah. So I am a little bit neutral. I'm neutral, leaning a little bit more bullish. Okay. Then we do have the US 30, which I am definitely going to trade this weekend, because this is such a beautiful trading setup. This is so beautiful, honestly. I could have, this is such a, I could have held this short from bearish QM. Yeah, such a beautiful trade. From around this level, I could have held it to this line. Instead, price came back here, respected it, pushed up. So US 30 for me is no question about it. We are really bullish, honestly. We have also broken above this trend line. And yeah, this is really bullish. I am definitely bullish on this one. I will do like this because I'm neutral on euro and GU. I will do yellow, and GU I will do yellow. So like this. Then we do have GBP, which is another trade that I will trade this this weekend that is coming up, definitely. And yeah, so from a higher time frame, we have imbalances, right? We did have this shift. Huge imbalance. We have this weekly swing low being shifted down. So once this was broken, we will probably see a retest of this area, and then we will keep going down. So why I am currently bullish is because I really do think the price will attack this high, and instead of me skipping through the time frames, let me go through the time frames one by one. So this is GPHF, right? And we do have sell side liquidity down here, and price is disrespecting currently. I don't really think that price will go up here and do all of this. It will just return to this level, and then we will keep going down. So on the H4, we can see that we are starting to build some bullish momentum. All of this is just telling me that this pair is really looking to go up, really. And we can see that we do have some GDP news on Monday, and I do really think that price will go. If price, so this is the way I'm looking at it, and the question I'm asking: where is price currently heading, and where is price at the moment when the news are released, right? So if price has been pushing up and taken out these highs when news are released, I don't really think that the news will do the favor to kicking it even higher, right? I do really think that if we are taking out this high, and if it's taken out, if these highs are taken out before the news are released, we will then drop, really. But the opposite is also, if price has not taken out these highs, then I really do think that this news will be the engine and the liquidity driving factor where we end up pushing up to these highs, really. That's how I'm seeing it. So so I am really looking for some longs here. I do have some levels here. I won't like to be tagged. Then we could see price doing this kind of play where we go like this, and then we will go up. So we did take out the swing low, engine up. So yeah, did we take out liquidity? Answer is yes. We did form a range, and yeah, so I am bullish on this one. I'm seeing the time now. I am currently 40 minutes in this video, so yeah, time means I'm in a good mood and I'm just speaking and thinking. So the thing is with all these pairs is that I have this idea in my head how it should go in what way, but more often not, it's not happening that way. So you need to be agile, and you need to be able to understand with the information that is presented to you when you're live trading, right? And yeah, the easiest way to save your money, okay, to not lose it, is to understand is to understand what when to trade and when to not trade, and not to be like heavy invested in your trade, with not with over leveraging, but just with this idea in your head that you need to be right, because you won't be right all the time. You will lose, and you need to understand it and accept it. I am currently trading a $750 account, and we need to see where it will end up. That's really it. That's really it. And I would like to see it grow to at least, first goal is 1,000, and then it's definitely, if I can take it up to 3,000, 5,000, that would be cool, and a proof that we're really getting a hang of it, right? So GPHF, I'm bullish. JP, GJ, GBP, JPY, yeah. No reason to. Yeah, so GJ, let's go GJ. I just needed to take a call, which is why I muted. So GJ, as we can see, we are bullish. No craziness about it. I will keep being bullish. Let me remove. Yes, we do have the external liquidity down here. And yeah, we'll probably attack this high. And then the fact that on the weekly we should see, let's see. We should, there's a high chance that once we're taking out these highs that we could see, because we are really creating all of this huge trend line, right? And I don't like it. So the question is, when will we attack all of these lows? That is the only question, right? But we do also have this level. And yeah, GB's ways, we are bullish until this area. AUDJPY, where are you? AUDJPY, I think it's this one. AUD is really weak at this moment. AUD, NZD, USD, is following each other. For me, this one is looking very bearish. I have been bullish prior, but yeah, I don't like the fact that we are really having well, we will just let me double check. We do have this level here. We do have this level. So now we did take out Jup, failed. If price were to take out this low, then we know that price is probably going to go down. So basically on the H1, if you attack this low, then there's a high chance that we will see this kind of play, whoosh, whoosh, and whoosh. And then we also have AUD CAD, which is the pair that really where is it? I was really bullish on AUD CAD, and then it really pushed me. It really killed me. So yeah, this for me is really trying to understand. So for me, where it will definitely go down to is this level. And then either price will take out this low and explode up, or it will just attack this low also. But from taking out this high now and probably this low, we should see this kind of play where we go down and up and down. So I am red on AUD CAD, AUD JPY. I am yellow, leaning a little bit more bearish. Neutral, bearish. And yeah, let's go through the pair that I did win quite a lot of money on, which is Euro CAD. Beautiful trade. I've been bullish on this since here, and you guys can see we did take out the Sunday low, Friday. We did take out these lows. Traded below a weekly opening gap, right? And if we're bullish, we want to buy below the weekly opening gap. So everything under this level is a discount. So if you're buying from below this white line, then you know that you are in a good hand, right? Or in a good level to look for buys. And then price returned to this bullish order block, last push down, and then we saw this rally. So beautiful. And now I would like to see the continuation, because there's upside targets still. Okay, so this is basically my weekly analysis. I do have my favorite pairs to trade: GA, Euro AUD. So beautiful. Yeah, GA also. If price were to come back, if price is not taking out this level and price decides to come back to this level, that is such a beautiful long setup. Zip, zip, zip. Or there's a high chance that we just take out this high, really. Okay, see you guys in the coming days. Take care.